How to make 114 billion silver in 15 minutes. Sold my old whaling gator shoes. Easy 1.5 for bill from sale.
The media channel, it is a fucking. There's, you'll know. It's Gooner's gonna goon. Developers. That's what we fucking want. Okay, we want to know if we got chosen a day in advance. Okay, that's all we're asking for. That's all I'm asking. And I say we because all the people that are doing it, we don't want to find out 5 minutes before. Okay, like we want to be able to prep and prepare, and we need to know if we need to be online at that time on Sunday. Like we have no idea. Shirtless stream when I have a 6-pack, you guys will see it. Okay, we're gonna get there. Can't promise a shirtless stream, but all right. Regardless, these are W changes for the throne stuff. I just wish I saw a little bit more. What is this? Item changes. The number of items that can be used with the fairy function skill has been increased from 20 to 25. More pay to win. Whoa! Nice. Added a low chance to obtain. Okay, so wait a minute.